We're just going to give the mortar a cleaning. With a wire brush. So I have two different kinds of caulking. The Sika Pro Select mortar fix and the Quikrete mortar repair. Now, the mortar repair, you see the tip on it. It's more in tune to doing entire mortar joints that are missing mortar. The Sika gives you more options as far as getting it into little cracks and sealing. This has no grit in it. This has grit. It does look like a mortar mix when after you're done putting it on. This is purely a sealer. It avoids it stick out when you're done. This one's about half the price of this one. First we'll use the Quikrete mortar repair. And up here I don't have too much. Too much area to use it up here. Mostly I'm trying to fill it and seal it. You can see what that's good for. It's for filling mortar joints that are missing mortar. It looks pretty close to the original mortar. And when it gets dirty, you'll never really even notice that. You can see this is doing a pretty good job here. Not as good as I thought it would do. Alright, you can see how high up I am. I'm trying to seal a wall. The water's getting behind the wall. Okay. Next I'll use the Sika Pro Select mortar fix. It's a whole different consistency. There's no aggregate in it at all. It's more so filling to seal it. And this stuff will stick out way more than the Quikrete. But as far as sealing goes, the Sika Pro Select, I think that's a better product for sealing. For matching and keeping moisture out, I think the Quikrete is a better product. Now, of course, this Sika is a polyurethane base sealant, so of course we're going to use some dishwashing liquid on our finger to smooth it out. That'll help smooth it into the joint. And dishwashing liquid goes really good with polyurethane to smooth it out. Now, if you do that to your Quikrete, it's not as good. The Quikrete really doesn't like that. The Sika Select sealant takes really good to this soap and smoothing it out and smoothing in the crack where you're trying to seal. So both products are great. It's just that one product you want half price with the Quikrete. You want that aggregate in there that matches the mortar that's already in there. Then you want the seal. If sealing is very important and it has to be sealed, you cannot let water in there. And the Sika is a very good product for that. All polyurethane products are great at sealing. Alright, that's my review. I'll do a little bit more with the Quikrete, not lower. When I'm here, I'm going to use the Sika because I need to seal this in. This area in here, I need to seal that up. I cannot let water get behind here anymore and go down through the building. That has to be sealed no matter what. And I think the Sika is going to do a better job of sealing that up for me. You can see it's pretty big. Even though it's going to stick out way up here, for me it's not going to make a difference. So I'm going to go with this. Down lower, I'll show you where this will be a lot better choice when I get down to the chimney area.